Hey Brian, how you doing? So I'm just reading through your writing here. Yeah, I did notice that the typography looks fantastic. This is an outstanding composition. You've really done a great job here. As I was mentioning before, in terms of the visual composition itself, I think it's really remarkable the way that you've kind of played with depth here and kind of forced the viewer to look through the trees, as it were, beyond the trees and into the forest a little bit to see some of these finer details. That was a really cool technique. Good job there. As far as your color scheme goes, I think it works perfectly. I do. I think it's fantastic. I'm really enjoying it. Um, just so clean and classy. Typography looks fantastic. Good leading, good kerning, outstanding alignment, and really good hierarchy, typographic hierarchy. I mean, there's absolutely no question where you want the viewer to look first and what is the main headline and then what is the subhead. So that's fantastic. A couple of recommendations moving forward, and they both have to do with type. So the first thing is the word designing. So you're saying take your graphic designing to nature, and I think that that's kind of an ambiguous statement. I would recommend changing that to take your graphic design to nature, and I think the cadence of that is much improved, and I think it just sounds much better. It makes more sense. The next thing I would recommend is, since this is all in title case, I would capitalize the word nature. Not, you don't have to capitalize two, but take your graphic design to nature with a capital N in nature, and I think that's really going to create the consistency that's missing from this subhead. Really nice combination of typefaces. You've got this kind of decorative, almost a script serif typeface, and then you've got this geometric sans, this modern sans serif, which is really an outstanding combination. So, fantastic job. I mean, just those two little changes, and you are ready to roll. Good job, Brian. Thank you very much. I also just wanted to take just a second to ask you if you wouldn't mind going ahead and taking that student the survey for the class. It's really appreciated. It only takes a second. I had sent out an email, and it's also in the course announcements area. There's a link provided there, and I would really appreciate it if you just take a second or two to go ahead and complete that. All right, man. Any questions? Give me a holler. Thanks, Brian.